This machine that people are seeing it now, that we are showing in the video, we are using this machine to purify water, especially the water that is not good or the water that is contaminated. Either you fetch water from the stream or from the well or from the river, so you use this machine to purify it so that it become clean. So machine is not working only alone, so we are still using this solar. This solar is very important because this solar is supplying light to the machine, and then so we are using solar. So from solar again to the battery, so we connect it to the battery, so you people will see the battery inside the box. So the solar will supply light to the battery, and then from the battery again to the controller. You people will see controller attached to the battery. So after that, you see all this wire. The wire is again supply light to the controller, and then from the controller you see this timer. The timer again is from the controller. It's this controller that supply light all to this after the solar bring light to the battery. So this particular timer, if you wanted to purify the water, we have 5 liters, we have 10 liters, we have 15, we have 20, and then there is 25 liters and there is 30 liters. So depend on the container that you use to purify the water. So each 1 liter is taking 1 minute. So if you want to purify, I think maybe it's 20 minutes. So there is 20 minutes here. As I said in the beginning, you will see 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20. So this jerrycan is 20 minutes. So you now turn it to 20 minutes. So you now come back to the machine. You now come back to the machine and then on it. So when you on it, you use this tube. This is the tube that purifies the water. So you now put it inside the water. You finish boiling and then you now remove it. You have smell. You now smell it. So it smells. So it's that smell that is killing the germ. So you now return it back again. See how it's boiling. You now return it back again and cover it. Cover it. Cover it. And then you now wait up to that 20 minutes. When you finish purifying. So after you done 20 minutes, so you will now lose it because this pipe we are attached together with this cover. So any jerrycan that comes, he's come together with his cover. So we will lose your cover and keep it aside, and then we'll use this one to cover it. So when you finish that 20 minutes, you just come and lose it and move it. Carry your cover and cover it, and then you now take it to go and start drinking it, and then he's lasting up to 3 days. After 3 days, either you finish drink or you do not finish drink, so you still, e.g. you use the water up to 3 days, you reach like this, no need to pour the water, you can add another water to purify it again.